Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips.
Welcome back, beautiful people. Hey, y'all. Welcome back, Shy Tribe. Okay. Hey to my Shy Tribe. And if you're not a part of the tribe, just answer me one question. Answer me one question. Why aren't you a part of the Shy Tribe? And I'm gonna let you know now. I'm gonna let you know now. It's not that hard to be a part of. It's not that hard to be a part of the Shy Tribe. All you gotta do is like, comment, subscribe, and guess what? You're in there. Like, you're part of the Shy Tribe. And today, we're just gonna ignore the fact that my hair don't look like too much right now. Okay? But we're gonna get it together, okay? 1 second. I can't do too much because I think I'm gonna wash my hair still. I think I'm gonna wash it. Cause it's been a little minute now. Yeah, I'm gonna wash it, y'all. Wash my hair really good later. And I'm gonna do me some twists. Y'all wanna watch me do twists? Y'all love my hair. I really do. What's wrong with that water? But anyway, we're gonna add a little water to it. Ooh. I'm just being a little lazy, but that's alright though. Not too lazy because I'm out there bed. So yes, y'all, today in this vlog, what we're gonna do is, okay, first up, we have the gym. I hold that thought. Because let's see where Angelique is. Okay, because we're headed to the gym with Angelique on today. Anyways, y'all. So like I was saying, today we're going to the gym. The gym's up first. And I gotta pull some meat out, so I'm cooking later. I'm going to do Salisbury steak and gravy. I think the rice. Yeah, I'm gonna do rice as well. And green beans. That's what I'm doing, y'all. So oh, I got that. Yeah, I already got everything forward, y'all. I think I got some gravy still. If not, I can make some. I know how to make gravy. We a family now. We are a tribe. Let's go. Let's pick us the word of the day, y'all. Joshua 1:19 says, "Haven't I commanded you, be strong and courageous? Do not be afraid or discouraged, for the Lord your God is with you wherever you go." All right now. In the next clip, guess what? I'm gonna be at the gym. Y'all, while the train's sitting here, somebody that got off their bike and went in the store. Here you go, y'all. That girl said, "Is that Shay?" No, I'm recording. She still saying. Andre, I'm recording.
Oh.
She's so green. I gotta take these shoes off.
Shay, what we gonna eat?
I don't know. We gotta do
We
right.
gonna be the star.
I do want them sweet potato things I got, but this time, Osby said don't fry them in the grease. Ooh, we rocking and shaking. So, I might cook them in the thing, but what else we gonna eat?
Oh no.
I started to take that chicken out earlier.
How much is turkey meat?
I mean, the small one don't cost nothing but like $3 or $4.
Well, shoot. Better get that and some bread. Make some little quick burgers or.
But see, I'm making hamburger. I'm a hamburger helper. I'm doing hamburger steak later.
Dang. Okay.
Pay to go to no sauna. Just let your car get hot and sit in it. Leave a little crack in the door so you don't die. But other than that, the sauna in your car, you ain't gotta go pay for one. Come on. All right, y'all. We'll be back when we figure out what we're gonna do. I'm hungry. It's hot outside. Whew. Y'all, we're finally back at home. I didn't go to City Trends, but I did go to Walmart. And I ended up getting some, because the real ones know what I got from Walmart. I went and got some food. Let's wait. Because if you watched the last video, you know what I went and got for pause. Y'all know, went to the dealer, right? And see, that's why I gotta stay in the gym. Okay? You got that. You got me some good old protein. Your chicken, y'all know. And hold on 1 second. I these as well. It's like the veggie sticks, but tortilla chips instead. Cause it's the rent, y'all. I'm gonna put that on there. Put it on there for the people. Okay, y'all get it. Y'all, when I was out there at the field, I think I recorded a little bit of that. I did. But when I was out there at the field, y'all, I kept getting bit by ants. I don't know, but this is what they look like, y'all. Excuse me, they actually good. Now me, excuse me. Me personally, they are good, right? But $6 kind of wild. But you know, so it'll be like something I get every now and then. I wouldn't get it all the time. But yeah, for the most part, they are good. Oh, and I got a nacho cheese flavor too. But anyway, whew, love some water. Like I said earlier in the vlog, in this vlog, I'm making Salisbury steak, green beans. I'm gonna do some rice and gravy. Alright, so do y'all wash y'all dishes while y'all cooking? Oh, do y'all wash y'all dishes while y'all cooking, or do y'all wait to the end? Which one do y'all do? Come here. Let's see what we doing. Hold on.
as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. On you on the scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you on the scene, think you know your girl's so funny to me. That's why you didn't got left by one or two times. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay on the name. Long as you got your eyes, got your trippy on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just telling myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end.